Hey, 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 hey. Hey, Fit Fam. Here's a teaching tutorial from what we did today in class. When you're in group fitness, you have to get creative with how you use your equipment. So this is honestly pretty old school, to take your step and adjust your risers. Why would we do this? For incline chest press. So it gives it just a little bit different angle on your chest than if I was flat on the back. It's mimicking a bench. So hands out in 90-degree angles at your armpits. Press up, squeeze at your armpits, and then pull apart. A lot of times I see people putting their hands by their armpits. My back is pressed into the mat. Press up and back down. You can go very heavy on chest press. Don't be scared. You're using big muscles in your back and in your chest. Yeah, modification would be lighter weight and to get rid of the step. Then I'm going to show you something creative. A little ab work right here. I'm going to lay on my back. I'm going to put my knees over my hips in tabletop. I'm going to reach up, and I can either reach like that, or I have it to give all the way up. Got to balance, hold, grab, put it back down. This is advanced to get all the way up. Can you tell I'm at the end of class? I'm a little sore. And then all the way down. Another modification is to put your feet on the ground, roll up, and set it. Roll up and set it. I always have modifications for days. Rule number 1 in Sunshine Health, if you don't like my move, don't do it. Then we took our step, and we put the risers back level. There we go. We made sure our weights were clear, so you can put them on your step if you want. Make sure that's clear. Make sure that's clear. And this is agility work, fast feet, and you're facing the mirror the whole time. Some people will try and turn like this. This is athletic work that I taught tennis players a ton. I'm trying to teach them fast feet. Football players need to use this too. It's probably why I'm fast on the field. Little steps, not big ones. Then you take your weights on your step. You come into plank. For this one, the higher the step is, the little bit easier it is. You go down, down, up, up. Modification would be on your knees. Go down, down, up. I'm going to do it a little bit lighter. Up. Yeah? Okay. Now we have another one. Put the weights carefully next to the step. Another that we did today that's scalable. It's basically a jump squat and then jump down. If you don't want to jump, grab some weights and you stay nice and low, engaging the quads. Down, up, up. I had some people grab the risers and donate them if they didn't want them. Donate them to someone who wants a higher step. Then last but not least, my absolute favorite exercises is deadlifts. Okay, I have 40-pound dumbbells here, which somebody did use in class, and I have 25. Let's see what I can do. I've already done, oh gosh, 3 sets. First move in a deadlift, hips back. It's not a squat. You're going to be using the posterior chain, okay? So I'm going to reach down, slight bend in my knees, tighten my core, pull these suckers up. First motion of a deadlift, hips back, okay? Hips back. You see that? Hips back. I bet I can get even closer. All right. Yes, I want you to look at my booty because I want you to see the hips right there. Okay? Here we go. Shoulders are back. Core is tight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. You're using the posterior chain. That's your hamstrings. Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Here are things I see in class. I see people get up here and they bend their arms. I see them do things like their shoulders. And here's the one killer, killer. They drop their head in a deadlift when they drop like this. When you drop like this, you're compromising your spine like crazy, okay? You should be able to look at yourself right here in a deadlift the whole time. You're aiming for your shins, not the ground. When you get really good at a deadlift, you can lift your toes at the bottom. So it looks like this. Last part, breath. Inhale. Exhale, here we go. And then to put them down, bend. Or you can deadlift all the way down. Especially on a deadlift, keep your head in line with your spine. You don't want to curl it in, okay? Let me know what questions you have. I would love suggestions for moves that you would like to see me demo. Hope you like the creativity with the step. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.